Burdens coming every way. Quick to blame, slow to rise. Open up your hearts and eyes. Blame the family, blame the roots, but truth is living in your fruits. Everything you need is here. Let go of doubt, let go of fear. We are growing now. We know wrong from right. Stop waiting on tomorrow. Step into the light. What you're not changing, you're choosing. What you're not building, you're losing. Wake up, rise up. Do good, stand up. This is our time. Don't give it up. Every cage an open door. Don't be spoon-fed anymore. Opportunity stands near. Work the ground, the harvest clear. Too much talking, not enough doing. Too much sitting, life is moving. We were made to work and grow. Reap what you sow, reap what you sow. What you're not changing, you're choosing. What you're not building, you're losing. Wake up, rise up. Do good, stand up. This is our time. Don't give it up. Enough of blame. Walk your own road. Every man must carry his load.